Without it's events called slot baits, and we masked that a bit of the casino, just to get any time involved. So just what we've done since then, and what our base released, both on the open source and the practice. Also, really convenient to dark fail. But we also got Dale in the third. So Dale was, you know, we go with Dale, we got many balls of the upstairs, started they renewed up. Now, one of the most latest is the ability of the challenge, which the outside is not a challenge, it's $1 million. It's that's going to be got that, and plus it's going to add a very big punch, little bit and fantastic. We'll make up a savings about it. So then it's a big stack and it will go pretty fast as well. And it is one of the very similar thing, assumes and already getting about them so as well. So we're really quick spacings. But all this is a good side. So I'll get out. Okay, that was that for you. Okay, so it's been straightforward. We really actually it's last 6 weeks. This year the all of the next 6 weeks ago. So 6 weeks ago we've been traveling to all ClickHouse states. And I should say we've done ClickHouse for the last 6 years. Obviously this isn't a huge area in ClickHouse, but it just gives you some idea of the speed at which they're moving. So it's like our product's moving. So in the last 6 weeks, the new analyzer of ClickHouse, the analyzer, which will classically not classically drive queries for you, is now like default. That enables a huge number of optimizations. That's a lot of optimizations in ClickHouse, and a lot of new features. So even last week, we released the ability to request queries, which are giving you request queries in ClickHouse. We performance improvements come from that. So if you write, for example, on how to join, even if they'll like filters on the join items, that now we automatically do the daily join to be faster. So the new analyzer we're going to mention to our through this outside of the next year. Make your own choice. You won't set a bunch up with writing your salary, not apply to join this but something that you can go to that, there's 5 keys in the cards. Then they have optimized weights over the course of this year that it's better and it'll be able to be better. So he also added kitchen remote guests. That's an interesting use case where you can actually move a table, for example, a web app guest, and you can use applications from that when you need them. So that's useful for restoring data departments or cluster. That would be, for example, inside of a remote table, selecting it because it actually targets the data block by both to really get that ready in memory deserialization. We also had actually one sentence as opposed to 4 that's a video like the best, which basically applies to type of S3. That's great. If you've got installed S3 files, it's more expensive, but it is definitely very lots of small file on S3, lots of files. You're trying to achieve queries. That can be part with that favorite cost. You're in each other, but you would exploit as well. And we are a qualified course operator started in the school background, basically built for all of them. So all of that in the last 6 weeks, that's gives you like the best sleep now. But today I want to just I think the ClickHouse, if you're not aware of ClickHouse is, that's online data extract key points data. I'm going to talk through a challenge that we responded to at the beginning of the video that's end of February, like the whole week in March. And it gives you a great view just how fast ClickHouse is and how cost efficient ClickHouse would be relative to via technologies. So this all started with a 1 billion challenge by Gun Award in the morning. So famous, about 1 billion challenge out there on GitHub. And I was thinking your response is a pretty simple problem. You had a CFP farm, 1 billion rows, 2 columns, city, temperature, start water balance, city in the mile, obviously 50 rows. And the theory is how fast do you quickly you use an average in the facts for each city. So the issue diagram limitations of this to grab minutes, like baking the data, you would go right to the start, do like early Java, delays, If extended the normal element, actually, in this down, exactly Java, that's linked here, or application, but follow the slight detail, or you multiply through Java, this is really interesting, long words, how then we think so you can go into Java and multiply with a single file. We thought we just see how possible we ClickHouse, just to get the same file we're going to recommended, so the benchmark on static files, I think it was 32 cores, or sorry, it's like 16 cores, exact hardware you get created, where you ask them to test on, and just need to ClickHouse Local, which is the local version of ClickHouse, you can shoot very far, you can straightforward seeking 20 seconds. So yes, we do far with Java, but we can really competitive, and that we made is the top of percent of just a single SQL query. Pointing while I bit a lot faster, but really better than just SQL query. That in the final query, the main thing is actually the question is we found in order to get a performance, the section in shape of about 50% by just using subscripting their functions versus just considering the standard CSV files. CSV input. If you do subscripting, that's actually a style, actually 50%. So, like this, we found one thing in most big time, started taking large data set. So we were curious, like, for trade, we didn't really put it into our content backlogs, and then we would look at video, we would look at 100 trillion videos that was good. Watch data, and then many of the tasks, and like frame and really file likes, really file object storage. Page, one particular challenge, slightly different style of particular challenge. It's a final half next to I don't want to click the button really, and 8 minutes in the hardware and running at least then cost around 3 months. So this was kind of a benchmark with periodically how one will do it. And you can create a little bit and skip the files, which you can actually really big bucket files. We really commonly need to read them, so the index of bucket. So yesterday it's a full day of stats, but index is used about 100,000 bucket files, and then the erase bucket file. Actually, make it sound state so it became excited. Same query that broad stat group I see the out index. So how about the should do? Well, first thing you need is like an approach. So what is buying in the example like this is only one variable of the cost of pay. There's other variables. What's in theory running on? What is the AWS underlying? It's inside how it's sensitive. What do they need on the box, such as the AWS, US cost, the coordinator cost, either cost with the coordinator region. So it's super important to make sure that you deploy and minimize the cost and say region bucket. Also, the demo I picked up to delete that rows, one pretty rows, so quite a lot, some things. Given it's run the query, and we don't want to stick there, which you agree to run. So I'm just going to sample all of the improvements I showed, basically back to the direct row, how it's stopped. We have an S3 function and ClickHouse, so you can create ClickHouse signals like one table. You can also replace a function, you can put an S3 function in there and query the data, right? So that's kind of a US time space where we just read the data in the SP model like that. It doesn't actually write it into a ClickHouse table. So that's kind of how we use it. So we're going to exploit that. All you can do is load in the table, data into the table, and query the table. And then just hold you the response type of the table without even sitting inside. So I think it's bad. So it's created in a device, not loaded into the table, and then give you just the right time. That's not really a bad, very nice. So the other thing is, DAS didn't make mistakes or available publicly. They don't just allow free reading of it. That would probably be a cost for them. So they require us to request a ATS so that we have an opportunity there. Okay, so what's the web thing we need to decide for this? We don't need the best spikes. So if this query is only going to run, maybe it's really going to run big bets. So we need the instance like AWS, short spot instances. The spot instance is a short-lived instance of AWS reserved for like terminating whatever you think right. So it's not like instance you got it. You could have it, but then you just say, sorry, we're taking it off you. The benefit of these instances is that fast revision. So that the fast revision, but most importantly, are any machine that has in place, less curious. So if you deal with the grammar nature of them, say a lot of money. But what I do is I query 3 minutes. Actually, that's fine. So we need from one of the claims is like to be CPU bound or never. First of all, memory will say what settings in this file. So it should be our memory to store the channel, which varies from new CPU bound. Maybe that's CPU bound on the CSV because it's like that, but it's still CPU bound or never. I think it can go so anyway. Then it's a question of like, well, what's the cheapest way to do this? Well, either an ARM so we do the ARM, what's enough instances that are available. And then we get various guys being various. It's all about like, it's after the ClickHouse or the on cost efficient. So CWG are an actual instance type in AWS for this. And we can see it's for V1's video RAM. And it's sort of like price. We use graph, we'll be doing our AM. So this is the price on the right hand side. So the GE37G it's about 0.17 cents an hour. So it's pretty cheap on AWS on boxes. And then there's a couple of options on C7Gs. There's the 7GD, the GD, the GGN. Basically, the G is got storage, you don't need that. Really in place S3, it's really that one. And C7GN has really fast networking, but looking just max, there's the size, really fast network, the super fast network, 50 gigabit efficient. So we go to the C7G. So I'm really going and then it's just a question of like, well, what size instances do we use for this file? So as you get bigger instances, price generally starts to go down. We're talking pretty small numbers now. The cost of each CPU starts to go down. The like it's mild, but I wouldn't say that it's, I would say a couple of cents here and there. So anyway, between 7G, 60x, 12x large, pretty efficient. Ultimately, it comes down to a later there. But I try to visual rate to say I just get the data sheet probably will be able to AWS API. So we end up using 6-7G 12x large. 48 ports. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you a few queries. So this is the how I created the house initially. So we just numbers house 3. Okay, so just right, so trying to this is the sample and we're going to. So the image you can see it of house. This is how we query the extra class. So this is basically our query accessibility bucket. This is about what's provided, quotas, and I'm basically blow out here to a straight file that I'm actually querying. So I'm just saying instead of the query post of all the 20 drives, they have it start. So I'm going to query that and the errors. But the KGDs are specified, let's say, that basically the requests for the cost to be the cost of the data. So it's like rest of this test. Similar runners and about files, whole files that say 100,000 files and trillion codes. So that took around 7 seconds to run. So just do a count. ClickHouse story on flights, you count on files, use eventually for the header. So it doesn't download much data. It's too fast. Now let's look at the next one. So this would be actual application creator right now. I'm going to do this format all here. That's things I won't print the actual result of it. Still, it's done with 4,000 cities, but that amount of data is fine. So I still get the measurement, the actual runtime. I'm using a 7.5S logic. This is actually that box. 48 CPUs. You could see it's going to take as long as we're required to do the patient. Out of the box, we're reading about 300 million rows a second and just under 85%. Now we know that exact action in this box, pickup service, 50 gigabits per second. So we're not really again what found at this point. It's right into So what you mentioned the password? Yeah, so I would like the next standard. You do on your IAM roles. If you do create quite expect outside, you can access the secret. Sorry. Yeah, you can got super access roles. You give them a profile sheet. I want that. Okay. So 25 seconds to do a 11 million. Obviously, our automation set is 100 times this. So we need to do something. So we 100 times 35, 3,500 seconds. That's not a lot faster. So let's have a look at that really why that's not fast enough. And the way the easiest way to ClickHouse is to use this advanced dashboard, ClickHouse OSS, these other bars. And it's by so it's in you can't see the experience already run long enough to actually extract. Okay, so this is about running the query here. And you can see the amount of network we're bringing in here. You can see the amount of CPU using. So by default, we're using around 7 wide. Let's share it again. So it's so difficult to see in here, but basically what was quite obvious when I analyzed it, it's not clear here in the minute is see in the blog, like zoom in chart, the whole figure out. It's going to look clearer like that. But in summary, what we realized is that when we profile this query, a lot of the time we sat in the fact that we get paralyzed on the download of every file. So by default, by a single byte on type there, so the 25 megabytes, we actually parallel that none of that file. So we full strength on that file to download it. Now, that's great in large files. The reason that we realize is 25 megabytes is too bad. So the 10 megabytes, we download the file, we parallel. Files here are all 25 megabyte files. So each file is downloaded in parallel, it's going to be used, flashing, not always fast, not always time. So we need a lot of idle time. So the solution to addressing this, we originally had 35 seconds, was just to say, what happens if we just increase that threshold from 10 megabytes to 8 megabytes? We just say, right, let's just only use one thread, one download thread file. How much was that? Naturally, due to the amount of wait time and waiting, the amount of threads of accessing the file, which makes it more efficient using CPU. If we do that, it immediately reduces query time from, let's say, 6 seconds to 19 seconds. Okay, so like some pretty similar here. We actually have to do a lot of checking there. The result was what they didn't realize that threshold of ClickHouse is too low. So that was kind of a learning for us. And then maybe we only want to have that threshold time downloading files in parallel. But we shared the file. The next thing that we kind of realized was we do use the API, we went to the dial, we can see that we were using all the cores of the box. And the easiest way to look at it is to explain on the ClickHouse theory. If we do explain on the ClickHouse theory, you can basically see the plan. And these numbers here are the number of strings that it's going to use to query. So the read itself to these 48 threads, it's then going to do the aggregation, it's going to resize, it's then going to store the results, if that was part of the theory, it's then going to go on 5 minutes, it's going to convert the results together. Every state of this finite is parallelized. So you do 48 cores. So you do 48 cores instead of default. ClickHouse will use the number of CPUs that are on box, the number of threads, just like an out of box setting. Okay, so in this query though, we realized we weren't using, we actually look at the CPU using, it's less than 48 cores. It's getting redundant, which is where you need to download it. So what I had to actually increase the number of threads used. It's query. I'm attacking that. Now, I won't go through all the results here, but what I'll show is that we'll be able to, if I just increase the amount of threads instead of 48, which would be the default length, I could 10 threads. The difference is that we go from, we did that before, we were about 19 seconds. How much better is this device? As an administrator, I just keep increasing the number of threads, increasing the threads. At some point, you get all the CPU attention. So you can think of it like downloading stuff. If I do that, it's actually 20 seconds. That's a word really is. It was faster when we use more threads. We do shade in this period of time. We're getting about 1.8 gigabytes a second. So it's a little bit quicker. Yeah, so we should go twice. It's not huge, now that I'm starting to deploy quite recently. So crazy out of the rows gone from 38 seconds to 15 seconds. We didn't really double. That's the query. So basically, now that actually wait time suggests that we wish to do these, starting the query trace. Our head files are in 35 megabytes, increase the file up 10 megabytes, 50 megabytes for downloading the file single, and then we increase the number of threads the actual file by using my result. And the result was that the kind of thread upgrades to fix the number of threads here, and the pretty advanced increases, and then that some way to decrease the thread starts to thread back up. So it's easy to we can scale these same runs, these same settings, we can apply to trade rows. But one machine is clearly not going to be fast enough to query trading rows. We're going to have to deploy it faster. So for a cluster, there's an established S3 function. There's also an S3 cluster function. And in S3 cluster function, you can create one cluster across many machines. Default, default, and then you can set a query expect us to say use all the machines in the cluster. And so when it does the first node, there was typically a query would be the S3 listing of the actual market. Then you break that word up, set those files on processing around all the other nodes. They will process the query doing whatever, 100 billion each, pass down the results, what makes the result, node, what makes the result, and result past that. So the difference in the query is actually pretty minimal. It's exactly the same query as before. We just got S3 cluster and default, I say, as a made of the cluster to use. You have also got all that, maybe 100 nodes for one cluster, we have a safety models. But they are ISD clusters for all of those. So that's what one query. Then we need to orchestrate cluster. So the insight learning really is Pulumi. I can find a really like actually start with one. I found really straightforward Python. In Python, you orchestrate cluster. You set it up. This is the one relation. You can't be that kind of next setting. One person that stuff. It's not knowledge of Python. It's not IFS. And then you can see these US one. I just showed the edits. So it's started, or the edits, if you like, well, I'll give plus 60. Query performance will. Do you need to decrease the number of nodes? I should get it unless people that slot instances at a time, so I get failures. When you do these spikes, things like AWS, you can actually put like bigger pricing. So I will kind of make this. If it doesn't kind of be more, that increases the chance that they just ignore assets. So I just went to the outline the current stock price, minimizing the chance that they should. That is $0.7 per instant per hour. And so 70 cents per hour. Our machine is 48 ports. So that kind of spins the cluster up, installs the ClickHouse, downloads the ClickHouse, configure the cluster, query, gets the results, I'll talk about it, start our next cluster, it's so hard. Okay, so final results. So this is like, this is quite small, but the query itself takes 173 seconds. Okay, so that's quite, it's not a big long. you actually trying to start a cluster, takes 5 minutes. It takes long to start a cluster in the period, and then the whole shutdown time is another 3 minutes. So we end up with a total time of about 5 seconds throughout this entire period to end, to end. We try to do some simple maths. We end up at basically 79 cents. Okay, about 8 instances of that price to 5%. But that's not really the accurate price. There's not one of those instances time. Some of the things they get product started in parallel, for example, or shut down in parallel. So there's a lot of time then when like they get paid when they're shut down, you can actually try a subtract period of time. And in the US, about 3-4 hours later, tells you what how much you spend. Send it off into a slice instead. Yeah, how much will actually cost. This is the final cost. So it's getting it 6 cents. So we basically through 3 hours, write the results of the bucket, and we work out the results getting it 6 cents, which is pretty good. So the final number road, 180 cents, 178 cents, 3 times in the years, 57 cents. So final quotes, well, the great area here is the every time sales lead. I managed to like 20 wall bread and get that 20 wall machine in about a time. The only fact that it's like in that you get a request for the query quite fast. It's not massive, it is a very late sense. And if you do run many queries on Steam, of course the run time to the actual startup time starts to go down. And then if you think about this against Twitter and they get this, the credits, you could actually really simple when it is structure. You could just write some basic instruction code, break the rate, only in this, just for instances, issue queries, and you pay right fine. So it's not benefit for me, those of you that find this would be expensive. And also, you need to reduce the price further. You actually look at spot price market, you ask AWS what the current spot price is, you got price converting, cheap instances, you put big instances and the bid, you could really get the prices really down, just maybe 20 cents, 30 cents, I think is possible, if you're responsible for your chain. And then we also try on the so we actually put the query into a management table. We use the same, we actually check out file for this. We use 300 boards on check out file. We check out file, 300 boards, where we trade it query, like 16.5 hours. So 178, 60, obviously, you pay the late time, the inset time, and that's one secure, that's easier than fast dash. So in theory, you do it pretty fast, you do it good server. That's it. Any questions? You're interested. Can I go back? You already I am not beautifully but sorry. Okay. You say, so you know, values with not about you with that. Yeah, okay. By the way, it was DJ, but yeah, you can change the life on sides. And you got to look at yeah, I don't know. It's very nice. You just specify on the upside what are you using here. Sure, you didn't charge it's like settings, maximum size, and then that's your size. It's always looking for 3 parts. Yes, well, that's it. If you look at stack, let's take it down. I'm going to getting I know why CSV trading is the problem with CSV trading. The reason they should it's maybe end up being about 25 terabytes like that. So you just end up model like how far you down the phone with the days. So CSV. Now I only took out on the CSV. That would be a little bit slower about that, and I experience it's not massively different than about that. It depends on the question you could like I was like, well, it's going to be slower than reading about that, but it's going to be slower than reading about that, and this is where we're reading a subset of the columns. And in this case, we need to read all of the data anyway, so it wouldn't be massively different. You were doing it, like 100 columns, you see a 100 columns like that, and you only got 2 months, or faster like that. But it's stars. But yeah, NCFP can price a level machine output. I think it's like you just roll and just not based it what it is best.
Yeah, because waiting out the people first very it is not tempted like the hard to when you're very complex like
Yeah, so when you
not that big.
yeah, it's very possible, but if the dollar is less rated, it's just yeah. I mean, it's really fun on South Carolina's eating the drawdown and your price. But I mean, I would recommend top 25 odds CFP. I do like Apple rated up and I feel more technical one. Yeah, thoughts will influence.
But on the yeah, it's good. That it's not that for the end of it.
So you could spend a lot where you got to thoughts to find out anyway, you can choose. And when you click back, you have a number of things you can choose. You can choose like total currency, you can convert speech by line, and you can also choose the download threads to the very last files. It makes sense to download the files in parallel. You can choose that part of the query, the number of threads that get used. It's not now. So you just choose one download thread for each file. Instead of by default, we store download threads for the each file. Here's the files already spent that.
Like we got there make up. You know, it's like that support. I feel it's not this because that's the max download thread file. I could set that to one. Yeah, at least. Yeah. Let's make it on that. They might have put that with
yeah, possibly will be well. So one of the things will be very important is like how large is the actual download thing itself. I don't think you can choose that right. You can find anything to choose that. That it's already started. It's that awesome. Yep. One more question, or do we've signed one more question? Was no idea. But one more question. So it was saying, later chat or this one. That's the one. A whole London, yes, there is even caching the will test, not only about the SP cache taking, but if it's just a SP function, you're querying it, it takes a second, and if you query it again, let's see, there will be this S3 caching. So first time you query data S3, you get some like S3 can be S3 does pretty intelligent caching. It's kind of transparent to you. We do this schema caching, so like that can speed things up. Typically not on really large files. If you're querying smaller data, schema cache when we first read the data, we store a cache schema, so we don't have to infer the schema. So if you know it's not this, at no point do I specify what the schema is. That's because we automatically infer the schema for you, so you don't have to write it out. Now, on this scale, schema caching is going to be like nothing relative to query. But on smaller queries, it can be meaningful. That's the only caching we do outside on that query. Okay, but otherwise S3, so you query the same data S3 every time, start to speed up and start, yeah, it's good time. Data packs to be good. Okay, nice to meet you.
That's good.
I would not. I wrote right up. It's around 9 good. I'm going to make a circle. I'm pretty good. And maybe just don't go into this speed up that mine would not see that. I haven't understood it. I mean, I know people expensive would be 6 hours. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's so bad. Trying to 6 hours later. So, I guess it's going to be like your rates twice. It's never going to be not that price. Okay. Thanks, everybody. It's the bond. Yes, thank you. It's thank you.